Lena, I'm going for adventure. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hey, we need to talk. That video I just posted in Venice, that was filmed over a month ago. And since then, a lot has changed. Some things have stayed the same, and there is a lot to come. So we're gonna go on a little adventure, and I'm gonna go climb a mountain, and I'm gonna update you guys on my life. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, I have to close it. Shit. Can't forget to close the gate. Bye-bye, house. All right, the first thing you notice that might be a little different is all of this. I got a new lens. It's a 10 to 18 millimeter lens, and there's a reason I got it. 2 weeks ago, I was on a flight for Sevilla, Spain. We got to the airport, got our taxi, got to our place, and that's when I realized my camera bag was gone. I left it in the back of the taxi. I had a little bag which was carrying my lens, my microphone, and my extra batteries and my memory cards. So unfortunately, the taxi drove away with over $700 of camera gear. That sucked. Fortunately, a few days before we left, I turned 16, and for my birthday, my dad bought me a nice prime lens. I didn't have a microphone, but I had a lens and my camera, so I could take photos. And I took a ton of photos, and I'll be posting them on my Instagram the next couple of days, so stay tuned for that. So that helps transition on to the next thing. I turned 16. 16 is a cool age. For those of you who don't know, in the United States you can drive at 16 alone. You can get your license, so I'm super excited for that. So when I get back home in America, in a few short weeks, I'll be able to drive alone. And that just changes the game completely for videos, travel, and just about everything. So that's gonna be awesome. So yeah, I turned 16, I'm growing up. It's exciting, it feels good to grow up. I feel like 16 is a pretty mature age, and I'm looking forward to it. Not smooth. Cut. I was supposed to not fall, but I did. Alright, I was trying to film B-roll, but now my shoe's wet. Anyway, I guess that was nature telling me stop trying to film B-roll and continue talking. The next thing that's changed is my phone use and my social media use. I deleted Instagram and Snapchat for 10 days, and I gave my phone to my sister for a week. Now most of you are probably like, what? Why would you give your phone to your sister for a week? So I gave my phone to my sister because she was taking a school trip to Paris, and she needed a phone to stay in contact, to take photos, and for translation. So I spent the next couple of days focusing on my running, my sleep, improving all the habits that I've been wanting to improve. But the time where I could have been improving those habits, I was probably on social media or on my phone, or just wasting that time. And I never realized how much information we're constantly taking in every single day, trying to digest, trying to make sense of. It's just so unhealthy. And now that I got some space away from that, got to clear my mind, it feels good. the riskiest camera angle I've ever done, but I'm pushing my creativity. Something else I want to talk about is the style of videos that I'm making on this channel. Don't get me wrong, it's been incredible to travel all over Europe, even into Africa. But at the same time, I feel like it's made my videos less creative than who I feel I am, and the videos that I want to be making, the videos I know I can make. Let me try to explain that a little bit better so that I sound grateful and that I can really get my point across. The reason I started this channel was to document my experiences living here, the trips we're going on, and to show my friends at home what I'm doing here. And so far I think I've done a great job of that. I've captured all of our trips, experiences, memories, and it's been fun. But at the same time I feel like I'm falling into this trap of videos that just aren't that creative. I don't feel fulfilled with them. But at the same time, I'm happy that I've been able to capture all the experiences, but what I'm trying to say is moving forward, I'm going to be doing some things different. And now that basically all of our traveling here is done, and I'm leaving in 2 months, I'm going to be starting new types of videos. I want to make videos that are more creative, things that I have to put a lot more time and effort to editing, little details, little things, well done videos. And I'm not exactly sure what that's gonna be or mean, but you guys will see. Get down from there. Actually it'd be kind of cool if I climbed it or found a way up. Here's the trunk. Snakes, stay away. How do people do this in vlogs? I have to go get the camera now. When people vlog, they always do those scenes where they're like walking and somehow the camera got there. But I'm gonna be transparent and show you guys me coming back and getting the camera. I'm gonna try to explain this in a way that makes sense. I first started this channel to document my travels, my experiences, and I think I've done that pretty well. And I've captured all of our trips, and I think I've made some fun videos through that. Now that I've done that and created these videos, I've gotten a taste of what it's like, and I wanna move on. What I mean is the videos I've been making are awesome, super fun, and they've done exactly what I've wanted them to do and to be. And I'm excited to take a little change, and I'm excited to see what my videos will be and what I decide to do. Holy cow. That could have been really bad. But hey, it wasn't. Okay, moving on. So yeah, expect videos that are gonna be a little different, more creative, and we'll see what I do. But I'm really excited for that, and I think it'll be a new challenge for me, and I'm also really excited to show you guys different types of videos starting to sprinkle, but we're continuing up the mountain. Alright, so I've covered camera, taxi incident, new lens. I turned 16. I'll be able to drive when I get home, and I'm gonna be making new types of videos soon, and that I'm not exactly sure what they're gonna be, but they're gonna be more creative, hopefully more exciting, and overall just better produced. And I'm excited for that, and excited for you guys to see that. I'm gonna go walk some more. Let's go. Almost there. Starting to sprinkle. Actually feels kind of good. We made it. Starting to rain. But look at that view. All right, it's been fun to catch up. It's starting to rain now. It feels good. I'm gonna fly the drone a little bit and then I'll meet you back at the house. So at this point, all I can say is stay tuned. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.